For small and mid-sized businesses that have outgrown existing accounting software, Microsoft Dynamics 365 for Financials is the comprehensive business management solution that easily and seamlessly connects people and processes. In this video, I will show you how to gain quick access to financial reports, add a new account to the general ledger, create a journal entry for the new account, and analyze information behind your GL accounts. One of the challenges for organizations is the ability to access relevant information to make informed decisions. Let's look at how easy and quick it is to set up and access relevant information for your business through Dynamics 365's key performance indicators. We'll look at the KPIs that are built into Dynamics 365, and I want to show you how from this list of KPIs we can very quickly set up a chart that provides us all of the information that we need at a glance, or is also available for us to be able to drill into when we need it. Right from the chart, I can click on one of the points of information and I can look at the details behind my cash cycle. I can even go a little bit further and I can take a look at the formulas that make up each of the rows within that particular chart so that I can make sure that everything's being calculated correctly. Let me show you the power of Dynamics 365 and how we can drill back to the account level detail from an on-screen report. Let's start with our total revenues, and we're going to go and take a look at each of the account numbers here that make up total revenues. We'll look at the 40200 account number, and with just a few clicks I can review all of the GL entries that have been posted against that account, and if I wish I can always open that up in Excel. All of the information within Dynamics 365 is available to export out to Excel. Right here I can then go further with this information, manipulate it, create charts, or do some what-if analysis based upon what I've brought from Dynamics 365 into Microsoft Excel. Well, let's look at how favorite reports can be within easy reach inside of Dynamics 365. I have my reports inbox, and right from here I have all of my scheduled reports delivered to me, and I have available to me right from my home page. We'll look at our income statement. And right here, I have my income statement available, formatted just the way that I want it. I also have available to me my detailed trial balance, easily accessible. Again, everything in the format, the way that I like to be able to see it. Dynamics 365 streamlines access to key information. Administrative tasks are removed, and that frees you up to be able to focus on more strategic tasks, such as analyzing the data and making informed decisions. As your business continues to grow, you need to account for travel expenses. Well, currently there isn't an account number set up to track those expenses, so instead of always needing to call your accountant, let's take a look at how you can create that account yourself inside of Dynamics 365. We're going to go into the finance area, and we're going to do a search for travel expenses to see if we set something up previously. Looks like we haven't, so let's go ahead and create a new account. We're going to give that a number. We'll name it, and then we're going to assign categories to it. There, within just a couple of clicks and entering in a few pieces of information, we've set up a brand new account within our general ledger, and that's all that we need to do. Dynamics 365 for Financials enables you to take control of your data so your time is better spent. Let me show you how easy it is to enter journal entries in Dynamics 365 for Financials. Again, we're going to go into Finance, and we're going to add a transaction to one of our existing batches. Within Dynamics 365, data entry is quick and it's intuitive. We've got our travel expenses entered in. We've got an amount of $1,000 that we're going to make for this particular transaction. And let's take a look at dimensions. Now, dimensions within Dynamics 365 are an extremely important feature which can expose the breadth of the financials to the accountant. Dimensions allow you to assign the expense to a department, a product, or a job. We have multiple dimension codes that can be set up, and then we can add unlimited number of values to those particular dimension codes. Notice over here to the right, our travel expense has been assigned to the sales department. Now that's going to be available for us later on when we want to do our reporting. We can slice and dice our reporting by those dimensions. Well, let's go ahead and post that information. And there, within a few clicks, I've entered in a brand new transaction, assigned it to a dimension, and posted that through into the GL. Controls are also very essential to accounting, and I want to ensure that I keep track of the miscellaneous expenses account because occasionally somebody's going to accidentally code something into that particular account. To help me control accounts and review balances, I can save my most used accounts to favorites on my home page so that I can quickly access them. So let's look at that miscellaneous expense account. And right from in here, I can navigate to where I can look at all of the ledger entries that have been posted against that particular account. With a few clicks, I'm able to see the details against a posted account, perform my review, and if I want to do further analysis, I could always send this information out to Excel. Close this up. And with Dynamics 365 for Financials, it helps you to handle those day-to-day financials of your business. Whether it's reviewing financial statements, auditing account balances, or balancing the bank statements, with Dynamics 365, you are more in control and more in the know of how your business is growing. To learn more, go to www.interdynbmi.com.